Alrighty, now this next load that we're picking up is going to Green Valley, Missouri. It's like about possibly like 10 to 15 miles east of Kansas City, Missouri. So after we deliver this load, it's a drop and hook, obviously. It's a drop and hook on the pickup, and it's a drop and hook on the delivery. So we are going to get there Friday, drop that trailer there, and then grab an empty and see what they give us after we get there. So right now, looks like the weather is going to be a little bit crazy north on I-35 because we're going to go through Oklahoma. It's Oklahoma and into Kansas and continue north on I-35 until we hit Kansas City, Missouri, and then there we'll grab that loop that goes around Kansas City, and then take that 70 west or 470 depending on, we might get on that loop 435 I believe, and from there stay on that loop 470 that takes us all the way around to I-70 on the east side of Kansas City, and we'll grab that, and then that should be pretty much the route that we're going to be taking on this load. Yeah, we're picking it up in here in Fort Worth, Texas. So we'll see how it goes. Around this area right here, we're getting tornado warnings And but bad thing about it is that at night you really can't see exactly which way or how the clouds are moving. So they suggest that we take shelter, but out here on the road in the open, where are you going to take shelter? I can see that it's raining heavily up ahead. I don't know if especially where all the lightning is happening right now. Trying to see if I see any type of funnels when the lightning goes off, but I can't see anything around. And then I can see somewhere like on my passenger side, on the distance, something that might resemble like a funnel or something like that. But the thing is that tornadoes can build up anywhere pretty much without warning. They can pretty much build on top of you and you don't even know until it hits you. So that's the thing right now. There's no shelter anywhere that we can take other than just slow down and see how the traffic is moving and make sure that see what's going on. Start moving here, so Yeah, so the tornado warning is around this area, and it's gonna be until 9:30 this evening. It is 9:12 already right now, so obviously all of these states, Oklahoma, Kansas, Texas, Arkansas, and all of these states are pretty much known for their tornadoes, so just have to drive cautiously, I guess, when the weather is bad, whenever we get this type of warnings and all that. So we just have to be alert, I guess. See how the weather continues to develop further northeast in Oklahoma. We're like about 30 miles from Oklahoma City. I still have like about 2.5 hours to go for today on my driving time, so on how the weather continues to develop, I might have to stop. I might have to stop sooner, so and wait for tomorrow, once the sun comes out and all that, to have a better view of what's going on. Because at night, when all this tornado warnings and alerts, you're pretty much driving blind and you can't see anything around you. You just see the lightning, and you try to kind of focus on the lightning and all that to see if you see anything out of the ordinary, I guess, like some type of funnel or something. But it's a little confusing because the clouds have obviously different shapes and all that. Then when you see a lightning go off, you're not 100% sure what you're looking at. Could be behind you, to your right, left, ahead of you, or could be right on top of you, coming down. You never know. We're just going to go ahead and hope for the best. We're going to continue on as far as we can, or as far as the weather allows. Yeah, that's the alarm going off here in this town. Yeah, there's that alarm right there. That alarm indicates that a tornado touched down somewhere close to here. Yeah, we made it to Oklahoma City. Listening to the news and all that, they're saying that the tornado warnings are at least to the southeast, to the south and southeast of Oklahoma City. That's where the tornadoes are being spotted. Some tornadoes did touch down, and in other areas, south and southeast of Oklahoma City, they still have tornado warnings in those areas. So supposedly that's the only area where the tornadoes are being spotted right now and where the warnings are. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on driving. Try to get as far as I can from this area anyways. I'm gonna keep driving northeast, obviously towards Kansas City. I have 2 more hours to go before I stop to take my break, so that's what I'll do. Hopefully in the morning the weather will be better. This was the petrol where I was going to stop, right here. See what's going on up here. Traffic is slowing down. Okay, it's on I-40 only, apparently. So we're going to grab this 35. Okay, yeah, there's probably some type of construction going on I-40, but we're staying on I-35, so we should be good. So yeah, that was the petrol where I was going to stop. So I'm going to drive an extra two more hours north on I-35. See how far it gets me. Oh yeah, yeah. There's a truck jackknifed actually right there on that side. Thought there was construction going on, but now a truck jackknifed, blocking all the east travel lanes on I-40. It is 9:45 right now in the evening, Central Time. Today, Thursday. So, see if I can find a parking spot here at this truck stop. Stop for the night. If I can't find a parking spot here, I'm gonna have to continue driving north on I-35. I believe there's a rest area or a parking area a little bit further north. So we'll see exactly what's going on. There's going to be a second entrance here to the left. And you have to be careful here on this truck stops that have 2 different entrances. One for trucks and the other one for cars. So have to be careful we don't go into the wrong entrance. Which is good. It's always good to find good parking spots. Alrighty. Yeah, we stopped here in like 30 miles north of Oklahoma City. This town is called Guthrie, I believe, Oklahoma. I-35 exit 157. Yeah, we pretty much lost a little bit of time, like about an hour and a half on that area where the tornado watch was. There was a lot of traffic slowing down and all that, and stopped for a few, for some minutes actually, and we did lose some time. But that's how it is, I guess. When there's a tornado warning and all that, especially at night, that you really can't see, you really do have to. We really do have to be extremely careful and just keep it safe. So after I listened to the radio information of how the tornado was moving, or how the tornado, where the tornado warnings were, pretty much what part of Oklahoma, to give me an idea whether to stop there in Oklahoma City, or if it would be safe for me to continue north on I-35. And after listening to the news, they said that the tornado warnings were mostly south and southeast of Oklahoma City, and some of those tornado warnings had expired in some areas, again southeast of Oklahoma, but in other areas, the same area, I guess, some of those areas where the warnings were extended. So thankfully we were able to get out of that area. Nothing huge, at least, because I do know that tornadoes did touch in some of those areas, and they did cause damage. Hopefully no fatalities. Hopefully, we'll find out that about that tomorrow. Hopefully nothing serious. So yeah, we're gonna stop here, and then the rest will continue in the morning. Our delivery is for tomorrow, Friday, at around 1600, but I believe we have a wider window to deliver, but still we're going to try to deliver with it at like around before 1600. We should be able to get there before that time. So we're going to start driving in the morning, like around 8 or 9-ish in the morning. So we'll take it from there. Alrighty, we dropped our loaded trailer already, and we hooked up to an empty one. So now we're gonna go ahead and start heading to the truck stop, and we're gonna go ahead and sit there. Today being Friday, we're gonna go ahead and sit there until Sunday, because that's when we pick up our next load. It picks up at 1500, and we can't pick it up early. The earliest that we can pick it up is an hour before our appointment time. So we're gonna go ahead and sit at the truck stop until then, and after we pick up the trailer on Sunday, we're gonna go ahead and relay it at Joplin. And yeah, because I'm gonna go ahead and put the truck in the shop so they can fix the AC, and also so they can fix other things that are popping up, alerts that are popping up on my dashboard. And once we get that fixed, we're gonna go ahead and put ourselves back on the board, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching.